Good morning. It is day one of the draw hunt. It's a 3-day draw hunt. I'll only get to hunt 2 days, but with a little luck, maybe I'll even be out of here early. It is a bonus hunt, so I can kill 2 deer. One of them can be a buck, and it doesn't count towards my statewide buck limit, so that'll be cool. Alright, I'm walking up to the top of this hill to ease on down into this hollow. I had 2 trucks come by. First one didn't even stop to say hello. Second guy stopped. We talked for just a minute. He's gonna hunt way down towards the bottom of the hollow, and the other guy, he told me he was gonna go up here to the left. Well, I talked to the guy and he was gonna hunt right down in here, but he's buddies with the other guy, and we all kind of figured it out to where we're all gonna cover this hollow, but different spots. And he's gonna go back towards his buddy. I think they're gonna meet up, or they're gonna hunt the other side of the hollow. So maybe between 3 of us, we'll see some deer. So I'm gonna very slowly work my way down that way. So there's a little bit of a saddle, a plateau up there, and I think the deer are liable to funnel through there to some extent. I just spotted a deer down the hill. Meh. I made my way more into the saddle here where that little buck came through. Sounds like one of my buddies from this morning already got cold here to start up his truck. So this scrape has been worked pretty recently. It's been raining, but I can still see scratch marks and deer crap. Here's the licking branch right here. I've seen a lot of rubs down here, a couple good ones. And here, there's a real nice rub on this beach. This rub's fairly fresh. The shavings are all still on top of the leaves, so it's not like an old early November rub. Well, I've had a little lunch break, and I'm sitting here getting ready to load up a couple extra layers and get my stuff and head back into the woods. I think I'm going back down to the same little hollow, but I'm going to go set a different spot. I don't know what happened. There must have been a coyote or something. I was just waiting to get a clear shot, and then all of a sudden start running towards me and turn, and then ran away back down the hollow. Well, I'm about to freeze to death, so I'm gonna get back to the truck. I'll be back here first thing in the morning. Well, the rain has finally let up, it looks like. It was turning into snow, and then I think it's just about quit now. It's about 11:30 on Sunday morning, and I admit I chickened out this morning. I did not want to sit in the rain again. The biscuits and coffee were a little more enjoyable, but I'm ready to get after them, get back into the same hollow. Buttonbuck in a stick. Sounds like my buddy from yesterday's back. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. I know he stopped up there because he sees my truck. Now is he gonna walk in on me or not? Well, he just parked right up there. I just noticed somebody sitting up in the cedar thicket. When I sit down, I can barely see a speck of orange. I got up a little bit and I could see through the trees. I don't know if they either came off private land or it's that guy who parked up by me, made some kind of a wide loop and ended up over there. I really don't know. Well, no dice. The weather was a little more bearable today. It wasn't too bad at all. But deer or no show, let me know what y'all would like for next weekend. I'm thinking about taking the boat out and hunting by some water, a spot I went to last year. Let me know if you'd like to see that. I haven't decided for next weekend what I'm going to do yet, but that's one option. So drop me a comment below on that. Hopefully I'll have a little more time after Christmas to hunt some more before season closes, but for now it's weekends only, so I'll see you all soon.